Alright, today I'm going to Livingston, Montana. I'm going downstairs very carefully. When you get in your 80s, steep stairs are a little scary. But I do it just the way I have to, safely. Anyway, I'm going to Livingston, Montana today. And I'm doing it because the weather's good. And I'm going to take the clay of Lincoln to the foundry. So I'm going to go pick it up right now and load it up in the back of my van. I know it's real hard to see what I'm doing because the camera's not set up for this kind of lighting. Anyway, I'm not going to be here tomorrow. I've got a doctor's appointment in Bozeman, and so it's going to be next week before I come back, and hopefully I'll be able to get back to work on that mountain man. Anyway, it's going to be a weird month anyway. I mean, with holiday and all that stuff. And all right, that's going to have to be it because I haven't got my camera set up for the outside video, so you won't be able to see much anyway. Get my seatbelt on. It's up in the 50s today, so it's not a bad day to drive. That's why I decided to get the heck up there while the weather's halfway decent. And let's see what else I gotta get out of my pocket. Gotta get my cell phone out and get my trip on it and put the cell phone up there. Keys. Door. Whoop, stop the door. Everything here. Gotta fill out my trip log. Okay, that's done. Set my trip counter and I'm ready to go. Alright everybody, have a great couple days and weekend, and I hope I get there and back with no problems. Oh, I gotta put my glasses on. Gotta have the sunglasses. There we go. All right, everybody, good night. Close the door.